The Dutton family is about to face a whole new set of difficulties when the show returns for Season 5, Part 2, so buckle up, Yellowstone fans. The profoundly expected continuation of this grasping show series makes certain to leave watchers as eager and anxious as ever. We can anticipate that the Duttons' past actions will come back to haunt them as we delve deeper into their lives. Their apparently pure farm settled in the shocking scene of Yellowstone Public Park turns into a landmark for epic showdowns, contentions, and extraordinary struggles. We will discuss it exhaustively here about the delivery date, the possible exit of our number one John Dutton, and the normal number of episodes in the subsequent part. So continue to watch the video to learn new things about the subsequent part in Yellowstone's 5th season. Hello, before we talk exhaustively, buy in and press the chime symbol. To keep people interested in watching, the show is split into 2 parts. The show's showrunner, Taylor Sheridan, told Variety that the most recent episode has 14 episodes as part of its huge season. Paramount Network has decided to divide these episodes into 2 parts to accommodate the lengthy season. This essential choice permits the organization to keep up with crowd commitment and energy all through the season, while additionally giving watchers more than adequate substance to appreciate. By partitioning the season into 2 sections, the show can successfully assemble tension and expectation, leaving crowds anxiously anticipating the final part of the time. This approach upgrades the review insight, yet in addition considers more top-to-bottom narrating and character improvement. With its creative methodology, the show intends to charm its crowd and convey an extraordinary TV experience. When will the subsequent part be delivered? Ongoing updates from Cutoff Time have affirmed a slight change in plan. Rather than a mid-year discharge, Yellowstone is presently set to get back in the saddle in the fall. To be more exact, in November. This news has without a doubt left fans enthusiastically anticipating the appearance of the following portion as they plan to leave on one more exciting excursion through the rough scenes of Montana. It is unknown with certainty whether John Dutton's character would return. At this point, there's no authority word on whether Kevin Costner is leaving the Yellowstone cast. For the purpose of filming the remaining episodes, there is currently no information regarding Kevin Costner's return. This may likewise be the justification for why the subsequent season delivery might be deferred. It stays dubious whether Costner's personality will keep on being a piece of the show until the end, or on the other hand, on the off chance that his takeoff will be tended to in the storyline. Fanatics of the show should hang tight for any authority declarations or updates date in regards to Kevin Costner's future contribution with the Yellowstone cast. Most as of late on May 8, Puck News delivered a report concerning the entertainer's dubious future on the show. The actor has committed to returning until he is satisfied with the way his character, John Dutton, is written out of the franchise, according to the article. What number of episodes will there be in Yellowstone Season 5, Section 2? Notwithstanding, in a takeoff from the standard organization, the season will divide in 2 sections. The initial segment involves 8 episodes, while the subsequent part will comprise of 6 episodes. This division won't just consider a more vivid survey insight, yet additionally guarantee that watchers are left needing more after each part finishes up. Likewise with past seasons, Season 5 vows to convey similar degree of extreme show, complex characters, and shocking cinematography that has enthralled crowds since its commencement. The show, set against the background of the rough and beautiful American West, follows the Dutton family and their battles to keep up with command over their immense farm while exploring the misleading universe of legislative issues and business. Fans can anticipate a captivating journey filled with gripping storytelling, outstanding performances, and breathtaking scenery as the countdown to Yellowstone Season 5 begins. To remain refreshed about your number one shows, buy in and press the chime symbol.